Hello, I'm gonna make the air fried teriyaki chicken drumstick. I have about 5 chicken drumstick, and I have about 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and I have 2 half tablespoon of sugar, 2.5 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 2.5 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of the vinegar. So I'm gonna put all the ingredients together. Then you mix. Okay, it looks good. Then I put all the sauce in it. Okay, I'm going to marinate the chicken drumstick for about 30 minutes. Okay, this is already 30 minutes, so I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Okay, I'm going to air fry for 22 minutes, so about 11 minutes for each side. But the first time that I'm going to turn it for 12 minutes, and the next time I'm going to turn it for 10 minutes. So I'll wait until after 12 minutes. I'm going to turn the chicken drumstick over and put more sauce in it and do another side. About 360, so this is about right. Okay, this is already 12 minutes. So they look like that. So I'm going to turn it over other side. Probably see better by the light. Okay. Okay. Okay, I would like to put little bit more sauce in on top of it. Okay, I'm going to do it another 10 minutes. Okay, well done. Okay, this is already another 10 minutes. I'm going to remove it. It looks really good. Okay, I'm going to put it in a plate. Okay, that's all I make today, the air fried teriyaki chicken drumstick.